When we think of road safety, what usually comes to mind is airbags, ABS, EBD, EBA, TPMS. It's a whole alphabet soup, as I always call it. And never ever forget the condition of your tires. But an often overlooked but equally important aspect of road safety is the need for a first aid kit in your car. And if it fits in your cubbyhole, all the better and all the easier. Well, this is, of course, the Elite Leisure Kit. But you can see it fits nicely in the cubbyhole, and it's there for easy access in any emergency that you may encounter. All Levtrade first aid kits contain Burnshield, and the Elite Leisure Kit consists of 54 items for a wide variety of injuries, including cuts, grazes, CPR, and burns. The pull-out pouches allow for easy access to the contents of which section you may just need. So whether it's for yourself, your passengers, or if you potentially want to provide help to another road user or even a pedestrian, it's going to take a while for emergency services to arrive. However long it is, it's those first few moments that are always the most crucial. First aid kit in your vehicle could easily make the difference between life and death in an emergency situation. The question is, do you have one in your car?